Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Welcome, chat. Welcome, guys. Happy Friday. Great to see you. And of course, good evening, good afternoon. Hey. Welcome. Like and share. Let's go, guys. Come on, how's it going? How do you feel today? Are you guys ready for a bullish and bearish day at the same time? Are you guys ready to keep grinding, keep fighting, keep pushing? Which is our priority as traders, to never ever give up. So, we're live. We got $50,000 in giveaways, 2 giveaways. And we got the Jackson today at 10 a.m. Big stuff out there. Good morning, welcome everyone. Great to see you. Well, make sure to like the video. Come on. Let's go. Bring in all your friends, community members, all the trading groups out there. Just this is pointing downwards.
Order
this
filled.
Is pointing downwards. Testing out an entry here. We're trading first Ticktick Trader, then we do Tap 1 Futures, and then Savius. Look at that heat space right there. 230s, an easy target. 225 right there as well. 210 is, you know, there's a lot going on.
Order filled.
Looking forward to collecting our next point and advancing, of course. Good morning, good evening, welcome everyone. Thank you so much for joining. Like the video, let's get those numbers rolling. Come on. Bring it on, guys.
Order filled.
I think there's still going to be a liquidity grab below this whole thing, below the structure that we established here for the 5 minutes, right? So I think about this 2 levels, 3 levels there quite easily as targets. We're going to discover if it's true or not, or if that happens from here or from higher levels. But that's what I think for the moment, which is why I got into a short. And the first target is going to be around the 230s, which gives me around $2,000 profit. I would gladly take that.
Order filled.
We might get a breakout here, and that's going to cost me, right? We had a flat supply on the 260s. We had this flat supply on the 260s. Looks like just as we speak, the markets are pumping. Yeah. Careful with the sizes with your numbers, guys. Really careful. Be very careful with your sizing today. It's going to be big volatility. I don't think there is going to be a sell-off today. I think there is going to be both today, ups and downs.
Order filled.
I sold half of my position. This is now looking good. We're gonna get stopped out.
Order filled.
And we got stopped out, basically. We got stopped out and locked out for the day. I have a daily loss limit. Numerous rejections were printed here on the 1 minute. All that supply they're rejecting. No squeezings below. We got stopped out. Yeah, he's gonna move the markets. Whatever he speaks, he's gonna move the markets big time. There's so much room here, right? Nope. We actually went to the other side. Now an issue, we continue. We only have $1,500 buffer. You see, we basically have a profitable week here of 1,500. That's our buffer. We made 4,500 and we lost $3,000. So good evening out there. Still a profitable week, but this one from the Friday that we had right now is not really that welcome. Needed another 500 here, minimum 500. We would have been on a $3,500 drawdown. And 3 points achieved. So with a good week coming up, could have been around 7-8 points. Now an issue, we're going to continue. There is a lot to continue with this. Moving on to my tap on futures accounts, where we have $16,600 drawdown. We have day number 5 here in the news cycle. Four days completed in the news cycle. Day number 5 comes up. Sorry to hear that, Matt.
Order filled.
Getting into a short position here. We have $16,000 buffer.
Order filled.
We just have to do around $1,200 today.
Order filled.
Let's go, guys. Come on. 6 points of acceleration here. And we're pretty much good. Cheers, everyone. Yep. This would be day number 5 here on the top 1 futures with max profit. We would be very, very close to a new payout for the top 1 futures. Really close to the new payout. You know, I'm targeting basically the previous structure supply top sitting at 60s, right? 58, 60s. The level we broke out earlier. That flat top. Coming back to it for a nice retest. It's trading 101. Should not be the hardest thing. Once we get into the 60, below 62, I'm gonna go break even. Come on. Time for a little bleeding out here. Squeeze them boys. Good morning, welcome everyone, happy Friday. 2 giveaways are scheduled. Make sure to like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord, get ready for the giveaways. Come on. Keep going. Oh, look at that. We have wicked into the 60s. That's less than like a point away from the target. We were 1 point away from the target. Morning, everyone. Great to see you. It's not going to be an easy day trading today. I didn't even have time to go break even earlier.
Order filled.
If the rejection is missing around this range, I'm gonna cut it away.
Order filled.
I sold half of the position. $700 accepted. We've been going flat on the price section till the live stream started. As soon as we started on the live stream, the pattern changed. We broke out. Basically, we had the 60s rejecting us, but then the 60s acted as a support. Good morning. Great to see you guys. Welcome. I am going for the choppiness. I'm going for that scenario.
Order filled. Order filled.
We have DC8 into this. If we break above, I'm going to be out. If we want to reverse from here for a few points, it's going to be a winner. You know, it could rally throughout the day. It could rally. Today it's going to be very important to see the tone of Jerome. Hawkish, dovish, and what are the markets expecting? What are the assets expecting? That's also another question mark, which is something that it's extremely hard to say. What does the market expect? Now it is the time to have a micro reversal here, otherwise I'm going to be out. Right, so if they're pushing this one back up, I'm going to be out. Now we got some momentum, and I'd like to see if it has sufficient strength for my target, which is a decent target. Now it's the time to have it, otherwise I'm going to be out, like I said. That's a beautiful rejection we got. Let's see if we could accomplish some energy right below the 68. Once we get into the 64, 65, I'm going to go break even. Stop loss on my entry. I sold 5 positions. I've sold 5 contracts. So the instant funded account on the tap on future is end of the day drawdown. Let's go, guys. Come on.
Order filled.
Beautiful. The target has been touched. Beautiful. 840 bucks right there. Very good. Celebration time for the 3 accounts. Celebration time. Boom. Explosions. Happy fireworks for Happy Friday times. We haven't lost, we have increased basically our average. So we've moved our stop loss higher and offered the markets more room for volatility, which is what was needed. There you go with the outcome. Travis from Glasgow. Well, instant funded accounts from Tap 1 Futures are end of the day drawdown. Instant SIM funded or SIM Pro are intraday drawdown. This is the biggest difference. That's the biggest difference, right? The SIM Pro accounts, you can have more. You can actually have 5 simultaneously compared to the instant funded where you can only have 3. So with SIM Pro, you can make more money. Because 5 times 3,500 is much more than basically $7,000 extra. That's the gap in terms of the earnings if you're trading with all the 5. So I did cashed out of both. I've made money out of both. I've made a lot from the instant funded. This is what I'm trading here, the instant funding, the end of the day instant funding. This is what we're doing here. We've got day number 5 in the news cycle. This is how it looks like for August. This is the instant funded for the Tap 1 Futures, end of the day drawdown. And then for July. Right, so we don't have any losing day. 0. Make sure to like the video, guys. Come on. Let's bring up those numbers. We got to celebrate. Here we go. But today I'd like to make a little more.
Order filled.
About $180 extra. To touch my total target needed.
Order filled.
Around 1,200. For 1,200, we got to do around 370. It has retraced all the way back, basically, so that's why we've been shorting this earlier for this short right here. Now I'm looking for seeing a bounce back. My entry is a little bit high. It's a little bit early. Was thinking we get a little movement right there on the 50s. But that did not came through. Make sure to join our Discord, everyone. Especially to participate in the giveaways. You gotta be part of our Discord community. Let's go.
Order
I
filled.
sold the contract, so I accepted a partial loss.
Order filled.
and added back. So I sold higher and bought cheaper.
Order filled.
Good morning. Welcome, everyone. Happy Friday times. Aiming for a good return. I'd like to get to this, my tap on futures. We're pretty close to another payout of $9,450.
Order filled.
I'm using right now 6 minis. Yes, there is the micro scalping rule. Any open position must be held for 10 seconds. Exceptions
Order
are
filled.
welcome. There you go. Exceptions are welcome, but we've got no exception here. This is the 5th day of $1,200. And I think we're extremely close to the payout, guys. Celebration time. Big deal out here. Finally making money. 5th day in a new cycle. Tap on futures. End of the day instant funding accounts. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. Celebration. Let's find it out. We got a 4% target, gentlemen. 4%. How much is that? That's exactly $6,000. 4%. 4% is $6,000. So that's how much I made this week, $6,000. We got to the target. But we got a day here with 1,229 yesterday. Times 5, I discover how much money I got to do. 6,145. So I got to do at least 6,145, which means that I have to do at least another 145 day. And I'm good for the payout because that is going to make my consistency to be below 20%, right? 6,145. So another 145 bucks is needed in this cycle. And we got to complete the 10 trading days. But the rest of the days that I have to do is going to be just like I did it in the past with $4, $5, $6, right? You see, we've got days like that. This was time when I only needed to complete my trading day. And I waited for that 10 seconds. Microscoping when we did it, right? So there you go. Extremely close to the payout. 150 bucks needed, and we're good to go with this one. $9,450 is going to be double fireworks indeed. Yep, $9,450. And we're going to cross $50,000 payouts on Tap on Futures in the past 2 months with this. Thank you guys, appreciate it. Yeah. Pretty solid week. Pretty solid. The microscoping rule for Tap on Futures means that you should not abuse. You got to be careful. That means you should not get anywhere near to 50% of your profits achieved to microscoping. You know, if you're making $1 or anything like that, $2, $5, or you're having 10% of your trades and values of those trades are achieved through microscoping is not a problem. But if the numbers becoming different, of course, we got $18,000 drawdown here. This is crazy. 18 grand. How many days in profit back to back? Let's just measure that. From July, that's when we started this, on 16th of July. So we've got 8 plus 4, 12 days. 12 days in July. That's 12 days in July. And then in August, we have 2 weeks of 5 each, so that's 10. 12 plus 10 is 22. And then we have another day on the 1st, which is 23. And 2 more days on 11th and 12th. And that's 24, 25. So 25 days, business days, back-to-back winners. No losses on 3 copy traded accounts. Is not bad. Everything's traded on the live stream. But now I gotta focus about my Ticktick trader accounts. I'd like to make some money here as well. We have 5 accounts with a drawdown of $500 only. I haven't traded this today. So this 5 accounts only have $500 drawdown.
Order filled.
It's not much. Let's see what we can do with this. Only $500 drawdown. For the 5 minute, clearly shows a buying pressure located right below the 55. So there's 2 things with the microscoping: the number of trades and the value of your trades. You cannot abuse by the number, by the quantity of your trades. You can also cannot abuse by the money you're making through those trades. There's 2 ways to look at the microscoping with Top 1 Futures, 2 corners to look forward. Depending what they discover in your account, that's how restrictive they're gonna be. But it's very important to avoid. Stop loss is going to be on my entry here.
Order
I'll get
filled.
out. I'll take that 150 because it builds buffer. We got $700 drawdown. Look at that. As I said, I'll take that 150. We might just pressure through those wicks.
Order filled.
Diving into a little short here.
Order filled.
Risking a little bit more. Looking for a nice cliff below this whole structure. Come on. Give me the 30s. We have accelerated in this trade, aiming for a higher return. If we get to this target, that's going to be a great profit. 2,400 bucks right there. It's going to build up the buffer really good, guys. But this is not an easy trade. Look at that. I'm going to obviously go break even with my stop loss right there. But this is looking promising, right? The 1 minute looks promising here.
Order filled.
Nah. We just went back. Right, so if you want to have no microscoping problems, then of course you want to go Ticktick Trader, which is fully allowing you to trade in whatever way you want. Right, here's the link. You know, the coupon code, straight to funded plus for the Ticktick Trader. There you have the link. Ticktick Trader is really good, guys. They allow you to trade in whatever way you want, up to 10 accounts.
Order filled. Order filled.
Let's get to accelerate right now. It looks promising, and I'm looking to catch that movement into the 30s.
Order filled.
That would actually be really good for me to catch a movement into the 30s from here. Crushing the support we have on the 45, 44. Otherwise, of course, if this is reversing from here, I'm going to be in a dangerous situation with 7 contracts. We all know that. There's not much cushion left in the account. But if this one starts speeding and rolls over, gives so much strength to this account that only had $500 drawdown today. Come on, press the pedal, guys. Time for do or die. Happy Friday. Good morning, everyone. Let's go. Now, I have to put a stop loss on break even once again. We cannot risk on 7 contracts near the support.
Order
This thing
filled.
could... There you go. We already had twice $400 profit. In the previous trade and in this one too. Right, so there's just $470 buffer. I think
Order
this level
filled.
is going to receive protection, guys. I'm testing it out. We might get this one all the way into the 60s once again.
Order filled.
Beautiful. Come on. Let's go for a nice runner. We switched from a short into the long. We need a green candle right now. This one needs to be green. Come on. There you go. Keep pushing.
Order
No, I'm
filled.
out. You know, we recovered $50. This is so tight. We're sitting on $500 max loss. We had 3 trades. We were in profit with $400 or $500. I was not going for 3-point targets because we were at price action levels where the acceleration could have stepped in at any point. So we were at a do or die level on the micro for the 1 minute, giving us 20 points movement if that would have been confirmed. So it's worth for me to go break even in exchange of 20 points. That's why. If the situation would have been different, it's a different story, of course, but for a 20 points movement, it's worth for me to go break even. We only got $500 here.
Order filled.
I'm shorting this. 2 minis. Beautiful. Stop loss on break even. All the way into my 30s. That will give me $900.
Order filled.
And I've double up. And I'm going break even. We're risking. Of course, I'm going to partially sell something lower. But I like to make a difference with a target, right? Keep going. This is a good candle I could trail. I'm going to trail right above that. It's a good candle. If that reverses, it would touch my break even at my entry. So it's not worth to not trail. It's worth to trail, in other words. Keep going. We have a good chance, guys. Will they accelerate here? Come on. Daily opening 226. We're gonna get some volatility in about 2 minutes. This is really tight here, 2 points away from our trailing. $226 is going to be for my daily opening on the target right there. If I get that, I'm pretty happy. Let's go, guys. Come on. We've got to open the doors here for the hurricane. Trailing above that candle on the flat opening, $320 secured. I need to trail. I don't have buffer, that's why. I need to do it. But I'd like to also offer some risks.
Order filled.
Nah. But that's fine. $300 for the moment. We're gonna get back to this. So we have an $840 buffer right now. Watch the markets having the capacity here for a short-term reversal. What do you guys think about?
Order filled.
Stop loss below. $15-minute is very bearish.
Order filled.
No. They squeezed some. We gave it back. We're having $540. That did not want it to react. Make sure to like the video, guys. We've got 2 giveaways coming up. Like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord. Let's bring it on. We touched the target on tap on futures. This is the 5th day. We only need to do about $150 more, and we're good to go for the payout, $9,450. And that's going to be really good out there. Watch the markets nicely coming back. They had to squeeze me out. Gold is having a temporary support as well, respected.
Order filled.
Getting back into a long here. We have an interesting target on the 60s. Once we get above 49, there's going to be break even for me. If we get that 49, there's just $400 buffer. You get a little bounce here, even though for the higher time frames it is bearish. The blue line is based on the 200 EMA. For the 5-minute chart, 200 EMA. Now look at the 3 weeks right there, rejection coming in. But I think we could easily fly through this 48 level. Break even, we're going with my position. Keep going. That's pretty beautiful so far. Look at a 5-minute. We might have an engulfing there. Let's wait and see. I'm gonna sit in this position comfortable up to the 60s. I might sell something on 55, like a single contract. Think I have to do it, right? Another one, 57. We got 3 minis.
Order filled.
So I sold the contract there. And the rest of the 2 will be sold a little bit higher right there where resistance could actually reverse
Order
us.
filled.
Another one has been sold. Bring it up, guys. Come on. I'm
Order
trailing.
filled.
There you go. Not even having time to trail. $640 secured. This one is deserving 5x. Come on. Like the video, guys. Celebration time. Look at that rejection right there. That was great trading. Boom. Now we have $1,185 buffer. Let's try to make something out of this 5 accounts. We only had $500 buffer till the blown. There you go. Now obviously you cannot short this, but at the same time I needed that money. For a new entry, it gives me a nice space of 1,185. That's a much better scenario, way more than double than where we had to start off. Putting together another $1,000 here, setting us into $2,000 drawdown. Comes back to life. Thank you guys. Appreciate it. Comes back to life. Look at this crazy volatility here. We got 24 minutes to go and the market opens, and this is how the entire day is gonna be. So you're gonna see wicks up and down and movements that are coming out of nowhere, which is why I think today is also bullish just like it's bearish, especially before Powell speaks at Jackson's Hole at 10 a.m. EST time. Come on. '60s rejected us, right? Thank you guys for joining, appreciate it. Like the video, get in touch, join our Discord. Good morning, everyone.
Order filled.
Testing out a single contract short here. All the way down into the 43. A single mini. All the way back to the same level. Been speaking about this 60 rejection point that we could have, so let's see how does it goes. Possibly. Well, you get a winner of $5,000 and you'll relax.
Order filled.
Adding a little more to this, we have that rejection level. You might catch a winner of 60 points on 10 contracts. You're good to go. Guarantees the payout. You're gonna have a hard time blowing that account. A hard time. There you go. We're getting closer and closer to the Jacksons. Come on, keep going. I'm gonna go break even. I don't need to risk anything. Even though this thing could obviously retest, go for the trailings. I don't want to risk. Greetings. Let's go. Come on. Bring it down into the daily opening. $226 daily opening. $1,400 profit with 2 contracts. It's not bad. I could re-short this little green candle. But I'm not gonna do it. I am controlling my emotions aggressively. I'm very aggressive against my emotions right now. You know, that's why I go quickly break even. And I'm letting the market makers to watch my live stream and do the job, right? Look at that. Look at that free fall, nosedive, cliff. What else do you guys? What else do you want to see? Keep going. We're having a good time. We're scalpers. Look at that. We saved this account from the it's 5 accounts. So we save this 5 accounts and we take them to the payout. No, I'm just joking about the market makers. Jonathan, I'm just joking about it. Of course, they don't pay attention to these things. But I've been joking about it, of course. I say that daily. That they're watching and acting. Most of the time, they are acting in my favor for some reason. They are hunting the trailings. You want me to trail to be hunted out, right? I'm not gonna give you satisfaction. No, I've been joking, yep. I'm not gonna... Recovered from the grave. And hopefully, we are capable of waking up. Right? We need about $3,000 drawdown. What if I do a day like we did last week of $6,000? You know, we were down $6,000 and we fully recovered and we put it in profit and we made that profit score. Thank you, appreciate it. I did want it to DCA here a couple of times. But I'm trying to be disciplined not to do it, right? Discipline. DCAing would mean to go break even on my stop loss, and then, you know, there's no cushion here for the markets to play some games. I'm not moving my stop loss. Hey, welcome everyone. Wouldn't be bad to recover this accounts and bring it on to the payout. Having a day of 6,000. I'm still questioning if I get to 2,000 if I stop it. I don't think I stop this. I'm gonna stop at the very first loss that I think is a heavy mistake I did. A controlled loss, of course. I'm not planning to do any heavy thing out of my control, but something that I'm miserably trading. That's where I'm gonna stop. Otherwise, we're gonna push for the big targets. Hey, buddy. You got your time to trade. You won yesterday your giveaway. You're ready to push, ready to trade. But this is an ugly support presence here. The opening nicely has the ability to give us some strong numbers. Keep that in mind. No, we're just trading on YouTube for the moment. No Discord because a lot of the people would copy trade and the companies do not like that. Right, so companies told me that I have to be careful, people should not follow me. Because if you guys would follow me here on a Discord trading, right, look at that. Then we would actually send bankruptcy on top on futures. This is for August. And then this is for July. That's the problem. Companies do not want that. They are afraid. Imagine having 50 people doing it side by side. 80 or 100. Getting to the payout, submitting 100 payouts simultaneously. An average of $5,000 from 100 fellas. That's $500,000. No one wants that. Look at that. They're taking it back up. I think the markets would
Order
be
filled.
surprised if Powell is going to be dovish today. I think the markets will be surprised. So they put me on break even on this trade. That's what I think. Markets will get surprised if Powell is going to be dovish today. I think the markets are expecting Powell to be either hawkish or around hawkish, or maybe a neutral, right? So but after today's conference, there's going to be a lot of pressure on Powell if he's not going to follow the current presidential perspective, right? So there's going to be pressure till 17th of September on Powell, big time. Depending what he says today. So I think he's going to protect himself. He's going to keep neutral in some way, yeah. Obviously, we could get surprised. But the markets did understood in the last couple of days that the risk of inflationary risks are bigger than anything else for the moment. That's what we had as public announcements, right? If Powell goes dovish today, markets are going to go crazy, guys. So expect all-time high next week. Kevin, I'm a momentum trader, momentum scalper, trading on big sizes on the minis, not micros. Not touching micros unless I have to do $5 and that's it. But most of the time, we got to do more, way more than that. So where are momentum traders based on the price section? Technical analysis of 5 minute, 15 minute, 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours. I do a lot of this pre-live stream, so I get myself prepared. But the entries are completed during the live stream on a momentum type of trading for the price section based on the candlesticks, liquidity zones. You see, this is another place here of a potential rejection. But I'm not trusting it. It's just a place of potential rejection, which is something I'm not trusting. Not trusting to short this. I'm located in Hungary. How about... I'm in Budapest, not Bucharest, Budapest. The opening bell trades are neutral in a form of I'm waiting as much as possible, but 99% of my trades are happening before the bell. 99% of the trades are happening before the bell. So the only times we go through the bell is if we don't finish before that. Otherwise, I prefer to trade pretty much all the trades before the bell. Like the video, guys, we've got 2 giveaways scheduled. Get them ready. Bucharest is Romania, Budapest is Hungary. Do not get confused. But watch the live stream. You're going to learn a lot. In the next sessions as well, we're streaming from Monday to Friday. It is. It is certainly, especially the capital city, which is a big difference between any other part of the country. The capital city is sending out historically. I need a good plan here. Saving this accounts, this 5 accounts, and taking them to the payout. We've got $1,200 buffer. 6 minutes to go and the market opens. Yeah, it's a lot cheaper. Now, Canadian. Hey, LA is a good place. Sometimes it's cheaper, sometimes it's not. Depends on the level of services you want to access. But you have services of any category. I'm shorting this. This could actually lead into a continuation for the daily opening right now before the market opens into the bell. Come on. What do you guys think about a bleeding into the bell and then a nice pump? We got 5 minutes to go. Usually the last 5 minutes are trapping people. So hopefully the market makers are watching my stream, because I'm going break even once again here. And hopefully this short sticks. We got 3 contracts. Beautiful, guys. Come on. 226 daily opening. $1,800. That wouldn't be bad at all. We're in the same trade. That's good. Come on. Swimming in the same boat. Yeah, it stacks. It adds up. But you're not going to get more points if you make $500 in a day. You're not going to get 2 points in a day. You're only going to get a single point maximum per day. But the profits you make above your 250 will just stack up nicely. And it's no consistency. So if you make $2,000 in
Order
a day,
filled.
that's not bad. They pushed this one up, guys. This is not looking that bearish anymore. Look at that. Right? With this candlestick here on the 5 minute, this is not looking that bearish anymore. I mean, an entry here with a stop loss right before the structure wouldn't be a bad idea. Targeting the highs. Higher than that. But I'm waiting right now. I got stopped out on break even. Two minutes to go. It's good we touched the target on the top on the futures accounts. For those of you that would like to grab your accounts, here are the links. Maximum discount on top on futures. We We can have a bigger discount than what they're giving you with 5% extra. It's pretty difficult to trade this very moment. Yeah, Jackson out there. Jackson is coming out in 30 minutes with his speech on Powell. Powell, I'm gonna ask you, chat. Chat, keep in mind. Jerome Powell. Let's do a nice, what do you guys think about Jerome Powell? Will he get dovish today? Yes or no? At Jackson's Hole, speaking about 30 minutes. Dovish or no? What do you guys think about? Will it get dovish today? What do you guys think? Let me know. Yeah. Rent 4 or 5 grand a month, 6 grand. You know, right now this is not looking bad for a long, but you never know what happens on the openings, I'm telling you. But this is definitely technically not looking bad. 10 seconds to go. Careful with the numbers out there. And the opening bell is right here with us.
Order filled.
I'm shorting. All the way into the daily opening, 226. Break even. Beautiful, guys. Keep going.
Order
I'm out.
filled.
There you go. There you go. $600 profit. Look at that, guys. Look at that. We have been shorting this quickly. Boom. What an explosion. This is out of my screen. Daily VWAP right there. Fireworks, boom. Come on. That's a good win. So we have right now $1,700 drawdown from 500. Let's make some more money, guys. I'm trading Savius today. I'm gonna trade Savius soon, very, very soon. But I still want to do some trading here. I don't want to give up. Look at that nice buying pressure stepping in.
Order filled.
I got into a little long here. Single contract long. I think this can easily get into the 50s or even more. You know, I'm gonna go break even with my stop loss. I don't mind to do that, even though the chances of getting it touched are pretty big. I'm
Order
out
filled.
for the moment. I made about $150. 450. It's pushing, guys. Should have held it a little more. This is having chances of going to the moon. Look at that. That's what I call the buying pressure. Yeah, so we have 1,880 max loss distance. If this one comes back all the way into the 1720s from the daily VWAP, that's a good level to long. Even the daily opening 226, we have some proper levels that we could re-long. Also going to trade Savius today as well. If we get another red candlestick, I'm gonna grab myself an entry. 217, 216.
Order
I'm
filled.
reshorting this. That's not a good business. I'll take a little nice loss here. $200. $211 for my take profit. $500. What a candlestick we had right there on the 1 minute.
Order filled.
Have DCA'd more. We're shorting 2 contracts right now. Get this one down to 212. Come on. I'll get break even soon.
Order filled.
Another contract. 3 contracts short. We have DC'd one more time. Three minutes short.
Order
Added
filled.
one more to this. I'm risking a lot. No. Look
Order
at that.
filled.
It's gone. None of the pressure held. It's too much right there for the bulls. They're too strong. We had so many rejections on the 1 minute there. Good signs of rejection, but no continuation back here, guys. Very interesting. No continuation there. No retest like that. 0. Does not matter how many times we successfully rejected here for the 1 minute. We kept pushing back. We kept pushing back. Now we have $195. Look at that. How powerful this is. Without doing any retest on this candlestick right here is just tremendous. Look at that. $195. Thank you guys for joining. Appreciate it. Make sure to like the video, be subscribed. Join our Discord as well. With 195, I'm gonna
Order
reshort
filled.
this. All the way down to 213. Less than $200 until max loss. Very unlikely we're gonna protect this.
Order filled.
$70. We're moving on to the other scene with the... There's no celebration right now. We don't celebrate anything. So, let's get to the Savius, which is tradable on Quant Tower. Let's see if the 80s hold here, otherwise I'm gonna be out. No. We broke above. Yeah. Looks like there is tremendous strength. And we're not stopping. Crazy. I'm out. We recovered $350. We were down 700. We're only down 350 right now. Keep grinding. I'm out. We're $250 profit, 200 actually, $200 profit. Look at that 1 minute price action. I got into a little long. I'm out. That's a good profit. We're up $344. Look at that price action. Unstoppable, guys. It's unstoppable. What if we get Powell dovish today? That's going to be insane with the markets. They're going to rally hundreds of points and all-time high next week. Any risk assets? $344 profit on Savius. By the way, for those of you that are interested, here are the accounts that I'm trading. Let me share with you. Oops, no opening bell, sorry. So here are the accounts that I'm trading. 60% off. Exclusively for our community. This is not available for the public. 10 a.m. EST time. So you have to sign up to be able to see these accounts inside your dashboard area. This is exclusively for our community. This is not available on the public website. Sign up, you will be able to see the accounts with a coupon code SCRAMBLE, 60% discount from the listed prices. Up to 3 accounts per user on SIM funded. This is instant funded, right? I have a video on my channel having a complete review about it. You can find out more. So let's see what's happening here. We had a 40 points. Little correction, but I think we're going to push back at least into the 25. I'm out. Beautiful. We have $586 pure profit. $586. You can definitely see that. We're down $700 here. Now we're $586. I like to make it above $1,000. Powell speaks at 10 a.m. EST time. So he starts speaking about 12 minutes. I'm longing this structure. Going for that 25. Seven contracts long. I'm out. Beautiful. We're 1,133. Beautiful, guys. That's a good profit right there. We're going to run the fireworks at the end. Added 2 contracts to this, 2 more. I'm out. I think we made something with that. But I'm going to stop here. 1,367 daily net P&L on my Savius account. Beautiful, guys. Let's run a round of fireworks for that, for celebration. We're $2,700 in profit. We still need to do about less than 5 grand. So 4 more days like this and we're good to go for a nice payout of $3,000. That's lovely, but now it is time for the giveaways. It is time for the giveaways. Keep in mind, feel free to utilize the coupon code SCRAMBLE pretty much everywhere. You got the links. You can join up on Discord as well for a lot of the other conversations. And we're going to be fine with that. Look at this candlestick here, guys. Look at this price section here. What on earth is happening? If he comes out how dovish today, it's going to be crazy. Exactly, buddy. How do you enter the giveaway? When I say start, when you see start in the chat, you have to guess the number. But you enter the giveaway by like the video, be subscribed to my YouTube, turn on the notification bell. Do not guess yet anything, guys. Wait. Wait for me to tell you. Wait. Do not start yet. So how to participate? Like the video, be subscribed to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell. We're streaming from Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. EST time, with educational side of the things as well, the trading and the giveaways daily. The third thing is join my Discord. These are the 3 things you gotta do for the giveaway in order to participate. And then, of course, you will have to guess the number. That's what you gotta do. Only 1 guess per person. No multiple accounts. You're gonna get banned. You're gonna be excluded for doing that. Get ready. You can start. Let me know your numbers. Let's go, guys. Good luck, everyone. Let's go. This is the first giveaway. We have 1 more. This is the Ticktick Trader giveaway. We actually have a $50,000 giveaway on Ticktick Trader. Straight to Funded Plus. 50 grand giveaway. Instant funding account. Only 1 guess per person. Do not guess multiple times. Do not guess from multiple accounts too. Like the video, be subscribed, and join our Discord. Come on. The moment you see stop, it's over. Do not write anymore. There you go. That's it, guys. This is a Ticktick Trader account. 50 grand straight to Funded Plus. That's it, guys. That's the stop right there. Do not guess anymore. Let's shuffle the list. Good luck. Good luck, everyone. Good luck, chat. First giveaway for Happy Friday time. We're going to have one more giveaway coming out soon. We got a 333, but we're not going to stop there. I think we're going to stop on that red number 1 between the 2 zeros. Or we actually stop on the 0 right here on the blue. There you go. And we got the winner with the 0 right there. Congratulations for the winners. Let's get to the duck race. Take all the winners into the duck race. You guys are going to compete here for the account. 31 winners right there. Congratulations, folks. Happy for you. This is the first giveaway. Do not leave. We're going to have one more. Good luck, everyone. Good luck, chat. Let's go. Come on. Congrats. It is 31 winners, but this is not the most we had. We had more than 50 at some point. LFG, come on. We got Oliver right there. We got Trader07. We have a lot of people. Come on. Push. Keep pushing, guys. Ricardo, you're right there. Number... What's your number? 5 seconds to go. Come on. Sonia. The doctor. There you go. Number 23. And here we are, guys. Congratulations for the winner. Oh, there you go. And here we have the top. Thanos, you were number 15. Kevin, number 18. ICT macro there. Oliver, number 27. However, we get to the second giveaway, which is going to be a $25,000 Savius account. Winners, reach out to me on Discord. Everyone prepare, get ready, start. Let me know your numbers. Come on, let's go. Let me know that. This is a 25 grand for the Savius. This is the last giveaway of the week, so I left it open a little more, and there you go. That's the end right there, guys. Happy for those of you that qualified. We're ready to shuffle. We're ready to turn these things around. What's happening in the markets? We're down to 260s on the Nasdaq. Let's go. Good luck, everyone, and good luck, chat. 25k on Savius. Winners, you will have to direct message me on Discord. Make sure to like the video to participate. Be subscribed, join Discord. Come on, like the video, guys. Let's do it. We got that red zero. What do you guys think about that red zero? We're not going to stop there. We're going to go into number 2. That's going to be a number 2. I'm 100% sure it's going to be a number 2. And there you go. That's a number 2 right there. Congratulations for the winners qualifying into the second round. Happy times for the duck race. $31 winners once again. Wow. 31 winners competing for a minute. We're good to go. There you have it. Let's go. Come on. 25k. Savius accounts. 25k right there. Good luck, chat. Good luck, everyone. And of course, thank you so much for being with me here for the entire week. We had an amazing time. We brought the top 1 futures 99% to the payout. We need $150 more, and we're good to go for $9,450. Less than 20 seconds to go, guys. Monday, we're continuing our stream. Who's gonna speed up, fellas? Who's gonna make that little step? Pancakes out there is gonna be the winner, number 14. And here we are. Congratulations, Pancakes. Wow. You got it. You got it right there. 400s. What's happening, guys? What's happening with Powell? What is he saying? What's happening out there? Look at that. 450s. 460s. Look at this. I think he started to speak, guys. I think the first word he said is dovish. Rate cuts. What happens, guys? What happens? This is madness. Look at that. 470s. Bitcoin. Oh, look at a Bitcoin. Already having $2,000 pump. We're going to make some good money. We're sitting above the 500 with Nasdaq. But if we get dovish and if we see rate cuts, the crypto market is going to get all-time high. And we're going to have a great time. You know, I got a large Ethereum position. You can see that on my Discord. Have a lovely time, fellas. Thank you so much for watching. Look at that. Expect volatility. Expect craziness. Have a lovely day. 200 points, base cuts, 400 points straight away, or maybe 500 points. Thank you once again. Have a lovely time. Wish you a peaceful weekend. Relax, enjoy. We're continuing on Monday. Love you all, fellas. Looking forward to it on Discord. Have a great time. Thank you once again for joining.